Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and I have got April's edition of Pink Parcel and this is what it looks like. And I haven't opened it up yet. So where's the sealy thing? Ah! I was hoping I'd do it all in one. Right, let's open it up. Yay! So this is what it looks like in here. Whoop. There. So I'll just put this down here. So if you're new to Pink Parcel, as always, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before, I will add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Pink Parcel is a monthly beauty period box. It's UK only and it costs £12.99 a month and you can cancel any time. Now, because I've been subscribed to Pink Parcel for over 2 years and I haven't cancelled, I'm still on their £10.50 payment scheme, which is what it was when I first signed up. So they've honoured that and a few other of my friends as well. So we're still on the £10.50 box, which is good, which I really like. But if you were to sign up today, it will cost you £12.99. So if you're interested in the subscription for yourself, click on the show more underneath this video and that'll bring it to subscription, and all links and everything to the subscription will be down there if you're interested, that is. So this box then, it is a period box and with a beauty element on the side. So regarding your periods, you get to choose what products you want. You can either choose tampons or you can choose pads or you can choose a mix of tampons and pads. You get to choose the brand and you also get to choose the date you'd like your box sent out to you, and then they send it out a couple of days beforehand. You can change all these things up online as many times as you want. I've opted for pads this month, so you will see when I open it up that they're all pads, but you've also got a little section called wants, and that is the exciting part. So in that you get 7 items, 5 beauty items, and they can range from hair care, skincare, makeup. We've even had jewellery before. And also you get a sweet treat and you get like a tea bag or a sachet of coffee. So you always get those 7 items as well. So the value of the box always outweighs the cost of the box. So as far as the value for money and surprise element and getting your sanitary protection is concerned, I think it's a really nice box. Now I've got to say, Pink Parcel have been going through a bit of a tough time over the last couple of months. If you've seen any of my previous videos, I mention it a little bit there. They've had some troubles, but they seem to be coming through, hopefully anyway. The boxes do seem to be coming on time, but for me, being a long-term subscriber, I'm finding that the products are very repetitive. Good products, but repetitive. We are getting a lot of repeats from last year, so when I unbox it, it's not that exciting. I'm not saying that it's a bad box, but it's not that exciting because it's all stuff we've had before and maybe just a couple of months ago. I think that's all the information. If I've missed anything out, I will link it down in the description as well. So this is the wants box, which contains the beauty products and the sweet treat and tea. So we always get a little pouch like this and it says for now, and inside I have got 10 sanitary pads and I've got 5 panty liners in there, so you can see there. And in this must box I have got nighttime pads, and I've got 8 in there. I'm sure we used to get 7, so having 8 is really good because we're all different, aren't we, with our periods, so having extras are good. So you'll see there. So altogether 10 day pads, 8 night pads and 5 panty liners, and I find that does me well. So on to the wants then. I'll just open it up and quickly show you. Oh, I can see a mask there. So the first item then is this mask, and this is by Incredible, and this is a Create Your Rainbow Brightening Sheet Mask, and this is obviously a full size. So a really lovely mask. So there you go. So that's the mask there. Now we've had some items from Incredible before, and it's from the same brand as Nails Inc. Brimming with energy boosting actives to liven up dull skin. This is a mask to get you beaming. Energize, brighten and clarify for a youthful glow. Apply to dry skin, leave on for 15 minutes and then massage the excess liquid into the skin. No need to rinse off. So now I'm quite chuffed to that. So that's our first item. Next, we've got a chocolate bar, and this is by the little one, Seed and Bean Organic Fine Dark Chocolate, Sweet Orange and Thyme, and that's there. Oh, always nice chocolates in this box, always like different chocolates that you not normally hear of. I think we have had one of these before. It does ring a bell, maybe not in this box, maybe in like a Degusta box or something. I've had it. No, it looks like I can have that because I'm dairy free at the moment, so now that's going to be my little treat afterwards. So that's that item. Next product, we got some Dr. Organic face wipes or skincare wipes. This is Bioactive Skincare, fragrance free, organic aloe vera wet wipes, and a 2-in-1 clinically proven 20 wipes to be mild to the skin. Oh wow, I haven't tried these before and I haven't seen them either. Convenient and cleansing, packed with bioactive organic properties, a refreshingly different organic white. They're just handy to have in here, handy to have in the bathroom, in my bedroom, wiping makeup off my hands. I've done a video previously. No smell really, just smells quite clinical. So yeah, I've just did a video before this one, so get rid of that lipstick stain. There, sort of come off. So now I'm quite chuffed to have those. This is a Merci Handy Love and Hand Cleansing Gel in Cherry. We've had these a few times as well. And my daughter collects them. They are really nice actually. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see there, if the camera pick it up, but they've got little beads in there, inside. Just really lovely. Gorgeous smell and handy, you know, put in your bag type size, isn't it? But no, so I'll be giving that to her because we've got loads around the house anyway, but she likes to bring them to school. She's a bit particular about germs in school, which I don't blame her, to be honest. But no, so I'll be giving that to her. So that's that one. Next, we've got a Daily Concepts Exfoliating Body Scrubber with smart technology. Clinically, allergy and dermatologically tested. It's mild, perfect for travel and for all skin types. And that's what it looks like there. I've had one of these before, but I don't know in what box. I have had one, and it is nice. I like using, just to show you there, it's softer on the other side. So you've got two sort of sides. One is like a Vela soft one, and this one is more for exfoliating the skin. I don't normally use winter time or anything, but now we're coming up into like warmer weather in the UK, and especially because I'm going to be going away in the end of May, then I'll be fake tanning, so these things will come in handy. So no, I'm really impressed so far with this box. Yeah, they're not too bad. So next item, we got a tea bag. Well, we've had this lots of times, and this is a lemon and peach green tea and vitamins, and it's the Smarter tea. I actually like this one. Lemon and peach is absolutely gorgeous, so I'm happy that we got this one again. And then the last product is, what is this? Fiat 500 for her perfume. Oh my gosh, I just realized I'm supposed to have a Laritzi Cosmetics lipstick in this box, but I had an email a couple of days ago and from Pink Parcel saying unfortunately they haven't been able to get them from the warehouse or something, so they'll be sending it to me. Either they'll be sending it to me in my next box or in the post separately. I'm not too sure now. So yeah, this is an actual sample, so everyone will be getting one of these. So I was just thinking then, what? This is not normally, we don't normally get little tiny samples like this, but then I just remembered, yeah, so we're supposed to be getting a Laritzi Cosmetics lipstick, so you might be a lucky one and have one, but I'll be getting mine at a later date. So anyway, back to this. This is the freebie, and then they did mention it in the email that we'll be getting a free sample of something. So this is a Fiat 500 for her, Eau de Toilette. Never heard of this. Obviously Fiat 500s, I think they're super cute cars as far as cars go, but I've never heard that. Never heard of this. So top notes of pink pepper, mandarin and lychee, and gardenia, jasmine and magnolia, with cedarwood, Virginia and sandalwood and white musks. Well, it sounds nice. What's it actually smell like though? Oh, I like that. I can imagine saying to my husband, "Oh, birthday coming up in July, can I have a Fiat 500 perfume please?" He'd be like, "What?" Oh, that is really nice. That is really nice. I wasn't expecting that. I was thinking it's a bit gimmicky. You know, it's like a Ford Fiesta for her. There you go. So that's a sample. So I'll just gather all the items up. So as well as your sanitary protection, we have got 7 items here. It looks quite full, doesn't it? So we've got the tea bag, we've got this perfume, which is a sample, it's an extra freebie. Plus we're supposed to have the Laritzi Cosmetics lipstick, but it's not here. Then you've got the incredible mask. Then you've got the Body Concepts Daily Scrubber. We've got the Merci Handy Hand Gel. And we've got the Dr. Organics, is it organic? Yeah, Dr. Organic wipes. And then we've got some chocolate down the bottom here. So by who? By Seed and Bean. So those are all the items. I'm quite chuffed this month. I am really chuffed. Yes, there's a few items that could be repeats, like this Merci Handy. I've had this before, but again, I don't know what box I've had it in. But overall, I'm really happy. I think this is a really nice box. It's got some really interesting products in there and quite well thought out. I think you've got wipes, body scrubber, mask, hand sanitizer, obviously a lipstick. And then the little treats here, I think for a period type box, thinking of you being on your period in mind and things, I think it's a really nice box. Yeah, I think I really like that. No, I'm quite chuffed. I'm quite chuffed. So yeah, so I think that's been the best box Pink Parcel have done for me in a good couple of months. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Have you received your pink parcel yet? What do you think of this month's contents? Did you receive the Laritzi Cosmetics lipstick? What is it like? I'd love to know. I'm just shoving all this in front of me. But yeah, all your opinions and thoughts I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.